Have you ever been stuck with a nearly dead iPhone battery right before heading out, wishing you could get a full day's charge in just a few minutes? Well, for years, iPhone users have had to live with painfully slow charging speeds. Apple officially listed only 20-watt charging support, and compared to what Android rivals were doing, that felt outdated. But now, with the iPhone 17 series, Apple has finally decided to speed things up literally. For the first time, iPhones can charge at up to 40 watts using a cable. That's right, not just the Pro models, but the regular iPhone 17 too. The only exception is the slim iPhone Air, which is still capped at 20 watts. This might not sound like a big number. You're used to seeing phones from Xiaomi or OnePlus tout crazy 120-watt or even 150-watt charging. But here's the difference. Apple is sticking with the industry standard USB-C power delivery instead of using proprietary methods. That means your iPhone 17 will play nicely with a wide range of chargers from brands like Anker, Ugreen, and even Samsung, without forcing you into buying a very specific accessory. So, how much faster is it in practice? The tests show that a regular iPhone 17 with its 3,692 mAh battery now goes from 0 to 67% in just 30 minutes. Compare that to the iPhone 16, which only managed 59% in the same time frame. Full charging is also faster, about 1 hour and 16 minutes instead of the previous 1 hour and 40 minutes. The story is the same across the lineup. The iPhone 17 Pro Max, with its huge 5,088 mAh battery, now fills up in around an hour and 15 minutes. That's a noticeable improvement, especially for people who rely on a quick top-up during the day. And here's the best part. 30 minutes is often all you need. Imagine this: you wake up late, realize your phone is nearly dead, plug it in while you get ready, and by the time you're out the door, you've got more than half a charge. Apple's decision to double the speed might not sound groundbreaking on paper, but in daily life, it changes how you use your phone. Now, Apple also released a new charger alongside the iPhone 17, called the 40-watt dynamic power adapter. It costs about $40 and can go up to 60 watts for short bursts before settling back to 40. But here's the catch: you don't actually need it to enjoy the new fast charging. Any good USB-C power delivery charger that hits 40 watts will give you nearly the same result. Tests with chargers from Samsung, Spigen, Baseus, and Asus all delivered around 36 watts consistently. So unless you really want Apple's official adapter, your existing fast charger might already do the job. There is one technical detail worth noting though. The iPhone 17 series uses a new standard called AVS, or Adjustable Voltage Supply, which is part of USB-C Power Delivery 3.2. Many Android flagships rely on PPS, or Programmable Power Supply. The difference is that AVS prioritizes stability and safety with smoother transitions, while PPS focuses on ultrafine adjustments for maximum speed. In plain English, your iPhone won't take advantage of PPS even if your charger supports it, but it will still fast charge thanks to AVS. So, while Apple might still be behind in the numbers game compared to some Android brands, the iPhone 17 is the first time charging doesn't feel painfully slow. It's practical, compatible, and finally in line with what most people expect in 2025. What do you think? Is 40-watt charging finally enough for iPhones, or is Apple still playing catch-up?